How to enable or disable proxies in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the playback menu at the top. From the drop-down, hover over Proxy Handling. Here, you will find three key options: disable all proxies, prefer proxies, and prefer camera originals. Next, if you want to turn off proxies completely, just click on disable all proxies. This will make DaVinci Resolve use only your original media files, even if proxy files have been created. If you want smoother playback and better performance during editing, select Prefer Proxies. This makes Resolve automatically use any available proxy files instead of the full resolution originals. Now, if you are doing final color grading or exporting and want to work with the highest quality footage, choose Prefer Camera Originals. This tells Resolve to prioritize the original files over proxy versions, even if proxies are available. You can also enable proxies by going to the media pool, right-clicking on your clips, and selecting Generate Proxy Media under the Proxy Media option. Resolve will then create lightweight proxy portions of your clip for easier editing. After proxies are generated, DaVinci Resolve will use them depending on your selection under the Proxy Handling menu. If you want to manually stop using a proxy for a specific clip, right-click the clip in the media pool, go to Proxy Media, and select Unlink Proxy Media. This will disconnect the proxy file from that clip. You can also disable proxy usage globally by going to the playback menu, hovering over Proxy Handling, and selecting Disable All Proxies. Also, you can fine-tune your proxy settings by going to the File menu and selecting Project Settings. Then, go to the Master Settings tab and scroll down to the Optimized Media and Render Cache section. Here you can adjust the proxy resolution and format according to your system's performance. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable proxies in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.